Becton Dickinson and Company. Why did I buy this? One is because it has created a higher low and a possible of distance here. I think it has a good momentum here, shown by this MACD, wide and sloping up. Let's check our two EMAs. Okay, EMA 10 is about to cross EMA 50 and it looks like a good bounce. Okay, now let's go to, as we promised, the market stats.
Becton Dickinson and Company engages in the development, manufacture, and sale of medical supplies, devices, laboratory equipment, and diagnostic products. It operates through the following segments: BD Medical, BD Life Sciences, and BD Interventional. The BD Medical segment produces medical technologies and devices that are used to help improve healthcare delivery. The BD Life Sciences segment provides products for the safe collection and transport of diagnostic specimens, and instruments and reagent systems to detect infectious diseases, healthcare-associated infections, and cancers. The BD Interventional segment offers vascular, urology, oncology, and surgical specialty products to hospitals, individual healthcare professionals, extended care facilities, alternate site facilities, and patients via its home care business. The company was founded by Maxwell W. Becton and Fairleigh S. Dickinson in 1897 and is headquartered in Franklin Lakes, New Jersey.
Okay, market stats of BDX is market cap is 68.76 billion. Price earning ratio is 44.86. Dividend yield is 1.47. You can find this guys sa Gotrade app natin. What the experts say. 75% of them say to buy these stocks. 25% to hold, 0% sell. Okay, so maganda to, and they have an estimated return of 17.16%. That's cool. Then the risk, BDX has 40% less risk than the market as a whole. So medyo kampante tayo dito guys, having this fundamentals. Earnings per share is $3.64 per share. So, medyo mataas siya. Okay, so that is BDX.